Maidstone Borough Council selected us to deliver the second phase of refurbishment works at the Lockmeadow Entertainment Centre. Having completed a facelift of the building in 2020, we were delighted to be involved again. This time we were tasked with creating a brand new food hall and external dining area. We started a full strip out of the redundant retail units before beginning the construction of 8 independent catering booths. The booths were fitted with tiles, suspended ceilings and roller shutters. We supplied and installed bespoke joinery items including new counters, display areas, banquet seating and art screens. Finishing touches included new signage and artwork painted by a local artist. The project required a full mechanical and electrical installations package including new LED lighting, new ventilation and fire-rated extraction systems, plumbing and gas supplies. We installed new oak effect floor finishes and sprayed the exposed soffits black to give the food hall a modern industrial look. We also fitted new furniture in the communal seating area. In addition to the food hall, we refurbished and upgraded the existing washrooms. Brand new additional toilets including an accessible toilet were also created, along with new storage rooms. With over 24,000 people visiting Lockmeadow every week, this project required a considerate approach to the health and safety arrangements and site logistics. We worked simultaneously in 2 areas on each side of the building, keeping the front of the passage open to the public. The dividing walls in the foyer area were taken down towards the end of the project to create one large walk-in hall with communal seating. Our team coordinated closely with the building management team to ensure minimum disruption. Externally, we built a new terrace structure finished with composite decking, festoon lighting, planters and furniture. This created a warm and welcoming external seating and dining area with a beautiful riverside view. This was a challenging yet rewarding project for form. We were delighted to support the council in making Lockmeadow a more attractive destination for local residents and businesses alike.